Some things in your life are not meant to be fixed. They are meant to be released. We waste so much energy trying to repair what has already expired. Relationships, identities, old versions of ourselves. Growth doesn't always look like building. Sometimes it looks like having the courage to walk away peacefully. You are not losing something, you are making space. Reflection. If something keeps draining you, it's not your responsibility. It's your signal. Let this be your reminder. You don't grow by holding on. You grow by choosing wisely.